happening right now? What is this? Today, we are checking out the new episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. If you enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And you'll find even more over on Patreon, where we're not having to cut out a bunch of the music and cut out parts of the episode because they get claimed by music and whatever, all that copyright stuff. So just saying. Anyways, let's jump into it. She looks familiar. I wonder why. Ultimate weapon that was used to seal Veldora himself. A demon lord of all things protecting you. Why are you sleeping inside the Holy Ark? Is that who we think it is? Shizue? Is that her name? Shizue? Dude, it's been so long since season 1. Shizue and the masked hero are two different people. Oh, the mask is the straw hat. Shizue wasn't Gold Roger. Shizue was fucking Shanks. Now that makes a lot more sense. Okay. Listen, Tensura fans, if you got mad at me using a One Piece reference in order to make it make more sense, calm down. It's not that serious. You know why? Because I used the simplicity of One Piece to break down the complexity of Tensura. Now are you mad? That's crazy. Dude, once again, just how amazing is Raphael, dude? Truly, one of the best possible, best overall abilities, if you will, or, you know, if you're going to call it that, for anything in any series, especially Isekai. One of the best. The fact that you have an AI that can just do anything, that just does all this stuff. Already stole an ability from me. Ooh. Oh. Is he referring to an ability being stolen from him prior to, like, when he was part of Luminous and shit? Not as Granville, but as, like, whatever the fuck that was. His name was Gran? It was still the same name? He didn't even try to hide this shit. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so that's what he's referring to, right? That he had an ability stolen by Hinata back in those days. Yeah, he's very aware of who Hinata is. He used to work alongside her. Oh. Another ability taken. Ooh. He lying to you. Oh, he's feeding you the shitty skills that he doesn't care if you take. Yeah, he's throwing out the shitty skills he don't care if she takes. You look confused. Yeah, a difference in experience, bro. He has been around for so long. She just can't match that. How would you? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I lend you my breast? Hey, yo, what? It's a wild way to say it. It's a weird line. I think he's just saying, like, you know, take your best shot, you know? I'm leaving my chest open as a way for, you know what I mean? I think that's what he's trying to say, but I lend you my breast is kind of crazy. My name's Louis. Ooh, I am a... Ooh, that's interesting. Interesting phrasing there. I am essentially Roy's twin. I would rather you didn't address me as his brother. Ooh, 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 ooh. Interesting. So he's also against being addressed as his brother. So definitely doubling down that he's not the brother. Oh, shit, damn. What was all that? An application of blood ray. What the fuck is blood ray? Dude, so all of the blood all over the place he's using to turn into fucking beams and bombs? I was known as the Bloody Lord. Oh. Oh, okay, this is the lore here. So Luminous defeated me and made me her subordinate, but I was just too savage for her. Oh, he was a savage. So she used her power to divide me into two. Oh. She then made me the cloistered emperor and Roy, a demon lord. Okay, cool. Wait, so that means part of himself died? And that is why I can defeat you. Wait, huh? So he got split into two, and that's why he can defeat him? Bro's not taking any damage. What is going on here? Goofy ass motherfuckers, bro. Literally clowns. It was a diversion, so they could steal the thing. Ooh, damn. Big blast. Didn't affect her at all, though, because she's literally fucking like a puppet or something. It's not like a real person. You know what I mean? Now you realize they stole your ice girl. Oh, you mad as hell. Luminous is about to pop the fuck off. You do not steal her little freaking statue. Yeah, she ain't playing no more. Oh, or maybe she, damn, she got pieced up. Holy shit. Yo, this little freaking. Dang, Granville, how you feel about that, bro? Luminous just got in your wife's guts. Ooh. Yuki. Oh, this is very interesting though, right? Only one of a level comparable to my own could carry that out of here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got the freaking orchestra playing still? Okay. Okay, still holding it down. Of course, Chloe's running off on her own. Kids will do dumb things. I'm always calling kids stupid in everything that I watch. They stay doing dumb shit. Oni-chan! I knew Oni-chan was coming. Uh-oh. All I've done was for the sake of this moment. What is this? Is that a bomb? Is she gonna explode? What the fuck? Whoa! What the fuck? He just got young? What the hell? So that's it. You put all the love energy you gave. I gave you into Maria. All the love energy I gave you back into Maria. Okay, hear me out. Okay. What they're saying here is y'all know how he was part of the 7 days clergy, right? These motherfuckers were given power to extend their lives and shit, right? All of that he put into Maria, wife, dead wife, not into himself. How the fuck did he live for thousands of years? Because he's a true hero. That's it? He only started doing it recently, and that's why he started getting older. Okay, I could see that. I could see that. Luminous gave him life force. Dog, she literally just said you were giving it to your wife. That's what I'm saying. True demon lords, true dragons, true heroes are all built different. He's an evolved human, basically. My hope is gone too. That's crazy. Damn, Maria Belle's death made him lose hope in humanity? Fuck. Well, it is his granddaughter, so. And look how handsome he is as a young man. That shit is lethal. Oh, yeah, that's big. Even more of a monster than we thought. Dang. Ooh. I cannot fathom why you were unable to become a hero. Oh, yeah. I just didn't become one because I couldn't become one. It is what it is. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Is that why she couldn't become a hero? Because she carries this darkness in her heart. Ooh, okay. So is he essentially saying that she basically has a chance to become a hero in the future? Then she'll obtain the last spirit she needs, this light spirit? Oh! Dude, crazy, crazy, crazy. Hold on. So much happening in that moment. Rimuru shouting out Chloe. Leon saying, wait a minute, you said Chloe? How many people jumped in the way of this? Ooh! Ooh! Oh, Leon! Ooh! Yeah, we gotta absorb that one. Oh. Now I wonder, if everybody else didn't jump in a way of that attack and get hit, could Rimuru have still just and absorbed it? I would think yes, right? Not as easily. Sure, it might not have been, it might have been, you know, a little bit more, right? But he would have still done it. He would have still been able to do it. It was just taking longer, right? It took more effort, more power, right? Damn, so everybody got shot for no fucking reason, I guess. Oh, them getting shot is a form of power scaling. The effort that went into stopping it, right? The one demon that I forgot his name, the last demon that that Diablo recruited, right? He instantly pot right through him. Pop, right through him, dude. Nothing to stop it, nothing at all, right? Hinata got popped too, right? Hinata just got blasted as well, right? Oh, she didn't try to stop it. Oh, yeah. She didn't stop it because she didn't even fucking try. It's just Leon put the sword out. He's like, ah. But Hinata was like, fucking just ate that shit. Oh my God. Wow. That's crazy. That is fucking crazy, dude. I wonder how much of this is going to get copyright claimed on YouTube because of the audio that's being used, the sound effects and music. I don't know. Listen, if you ever notice that like a chunk of my reaction's gone out of nowhere, it's because I got copyright claimed and I had to cut it out the video. All right, that's just how it works. Listen, you can get the full thing over on Patreon if you're interested. But yeah, we cut out parts of the video because sometimes they get claimed, normally like a week later. It is just what it is, okay? Damn, Hinata got popped. She'll probably be fine though, right? Rimuru's not happy about this, of course. Oh no! Leon gonna save. Or not. Damn! Venom got fucking blasted and he's still active? Yo, shout out to him, dude. Good servant. Oh, he was tasked with taking care of her, right? That was literally his job. So shout out to him jumping in the way there. He's still trying to get his job done. Even though he already fucked up his job, he's supposed to make sure that she don't fucking go out there. You know what I'm saying? So he already fucked up on his job. But, you know, yeah, he's trying to make amends for the mistakes. Hinata's not dying. Spiritrons. Do we have to pull her astral body out or something? What? What the fuck about to happen? The fuck is this? No way Hinata's dying. There's no shot, right? Is Hinata fucking dying here? Holy trauma for this child, dude. Oh, Chloe's power flowing through her. Am I making that up? Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, Chloe's active? Is Hinata going inside Chloe? What the fuck is happening right now? What is this? Bro, even Raphael's like, dude. I don't really know what just happened. Even Raphael, our fucking all-knowing AI. Koku, I know everything. No, not this time. What the fuck is going on? Dude, I think, didn't Hinata go inside Chloe? Her astral body's not there anymore. The soul of the individual named Hinata. What? According to your plan? What the fuck? Ayo, can I just say, this is insane that this bitch is standing opposing not one, not two, but 3 demon lords. Do it then. Do it then, Luminous. Oh, shit. Her fucking ultimate skill evolved? Send him to a fucking afterlife. What the fuck? Yes. Oh. Fuck yeah, dude. Diablo's back, baby. The true hero's back. The one that even sealed Veldora. The subject is a material body. Abnormal energy levels. Oh. Bro, we gonna put Hinata's astral body into this thing. Maybe? We gonna swap Hinata into this body. Maybe. I don't know. Hinata's soul is with Chloe. Wherever the fuck she went. Somehow we gotta find Chloe. We'll find Hinata. We can put Hinata into a new body. I think the soul was pulled out so that way it wouldn't be affected by the spiritrons. So her name's Chronoa. Yo, why doesn't Rimuru just be like, Yuki, I can't believe you've joined Granville after killing his granddaughter, Maribel. Just throw an accusation out there, you know what I mean? That ain't who he is. I know, Rimuru's too good. I'm a fucking villain. I'm a villain just waiting I'm a villain who hasn't had his origin story. Truly, I think so. I really do believe that there is a villain in me. I pray that I never have an origin story, right? Nothing ever turns me into the villain that I'm meant to be. She is a hero, but not a hero. Okay, dude. She's the avatar of destruction by the name of Chronoa. The avatar of destruction is wild. Used you is kind of crazy. I'd be a little mad. Like, bro's like, I used you to do it. Fuck you mean used me? Cap. Nah, we got this. All right, post-credit scene. Chloe in another world. I guess I'm back here again? Yo, wait, what the fuck? Did she get thrown into Mushoku Tensei or something? She's in a world that has, fucking film grain. I'm back here again. Wait, what the fuck? What is happening? This is weird. I don't know what's going on with the Chloe side of things. I'm pretty sure Hinata's soul is within her somehow. I don't know how that works, but I'm pretty sure that's what's going on here. It looked like a skill activated or something. I don't really know, but this was crazy. This was an insane episode. Absolutely phenomenal episode, by the way. Phenomenal. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. Though, don't just leave a comment. Also, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, make sure you all keep it fresh. Peace.